Hi guys, this is video tutorial for NeutrinoParticles editor. In this tutorial I want to show you how to create sparks for fire effect. This tutorial and effect as well will be based on a previous tutorial, Fire01, and you can find link to the tutorial in video description. And you can see that these two differs only with sparks. So let's start by copying this previous effect, fire without sparks, into new project. I will create new project in documents, for example. Call it temp, and Control C on fire effect. You can see notification that effect is copied to clipboard, and Control V in new project or in the project, in your project, your working project. So this is fire without sparks, and let's add new emitter and call it sparks. I'll turn off fire so it will not distract from creating of sparks. And let's first of all let's choose position of where sparks should be created. I will choose point from path, as it is a pretty good tool to point starting position, and make it such short path, a little bit above of 0 point where fire particles start. Now let's switch to motion with forces for changing position. It will be directed force upward. Also let's tune start velocity. It is random vector, and we need probably point from path, and this point on path will be slightly shift particles aside from vertical axis. So yeah, now let's make particles look like sparks. We have size square 30, and I will make it rectangle and probably 3 points by 3 by 3. It will be rectangular small particles, and now we need to make it longer depending on particles speed. So I'll set change in size to multiplier over particle speed, and let's tune a little bit this graph. Now we have it is multiplier, so this start size 3 by 3 will be multiplied by a result of this graph, and currently it is 1 by x and 1 by y, constant 1, and we need to make dependency on speed, and on this over particle speed graph we have speed on x-axis, speed in pixels per second, so it should be graph like this. If I want to make it longer by x-axis, depending on speed, I'll make something like this. And also we need to make rotation by velocity phased, probably. That will rotate particle by x-axis towards velocity vector. And as we make particle longer by x-axis, it also moves forward by x-axis. And now you can see that when particle moving slower in the start of its life, it's shorter, and then it makes longer. And let's see what do we have with fire. Let's make it even longer. No, too long. And shrink a little life of sparks. 1 second. Or random value from half a second till 1.5. 1.5 too much. 1 second, from half a second to 1 second of lifetime for sparks, and it looks like sparks, I think. So that's it with sparks. In next tutorial we will add turbulence to this effect. Thank you. Bye bye.